Welcome. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to export your Telegram data as both HTML and JSON files on the Telegram desktop app using the latest update. This process allows you to keep a personal backup of your chats, media, and more, stored securely on your computer in a format that's easy to access. Let's dive right in. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Once it's up, look at the top left corner of the screen and click on the three horizontal lines, also known as the main menu. From there, head into Settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down and select Advanced. This section gives you more technical controls, and right here is where you'll find the option to export your data. Now, keep scrolling until you see Export Telegram Data. Click on it to begin the setup process. You'll now see a list of data types you can include in your export. This might range from personal chats, photos, videos, and even stickers. Carefully go through the options and check the boxes for everything you want to back up. This step is important because it determines exactly what will appear in your exported files. Once you've chosen your data, keep scrolling down until you find the option to select the export format. Here's the key step. Choose both. This will ensure your data is exported in HTML format, which is handy for browsing easily in a web browser, and JSON format, which is structured and useful if you want the information for technical or development purposes. After making this selection, click Export. Depending on how much data you have, the export process may take some time. You can continue using Telegram while it works in the background. Once it's complete, you'll see an option that says Show My Data. Click on that, and you'll be taken straight to your exported files on your computer. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you now have a secure copy of your Telegram data saved on your PC in both user-friendly and developer-friendly formats. This feature makes it incredibly easy to keep a copy of your conversations, files, and history right at your fingertips.